We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of DUDE Wipes Flushable Wipes. This product has revolutionized personal hygiene for many, especially men, by offering a flushable, plant-based alternative to traditional toilet paper. DUDE wipes are designed to be extra large, up to 35% bigger than many competitors, which provides ample coverage and effectiveness during use. This size advantage is particularly appreciated after heavier meals or when a more thorough clean is desired. The wipes are made from 100% plant-sourced fibers, making them flushable and septic safe, which is a significant benefit over many baby wipes or other wet wipes that can clog plumbing and harm the environment. The wipes begin to break down once flushed, supporting a cleaner sewer system and reducing environmental impact. The formula of DUDE wipes is another highlight. They are unscented, hypoallergenic, alcohol-free, and paraben-free, making them suitable for sensitive skin. Infused with aloe vera and vitamin E, these wipes provide a soothing and refreshing cleanse, protecting sensitive skin from irritation. Users with sensitive skin have noted the gentle nature of these wipes, appreciating how they avoid the harshness often found in other wet wipe products. This makes DUDE wipes not only a hygienic choice, but a skin-friendly one as well. Performance-wise, DUDE wipes deliver a superior cleansing experience compared to dry toilet paper. The moist texture ensures a more thorough clean, leaving users feeling fresh and confident. Many reviews emphasize the refreshing feeling after use, which is hard to achieve with toilet paper alone. The wipes are moderately moistened, not too wet or too dry, striking a balance that avoids discomfort or messiness. The packaging is designed for convenience, featuring resealable lids that keep the wipes fresh and moist, preventing drying out between uses. This packaging design is praised for its reliability, with no issues of clumping or drying reported in recent batches. One common critique is that the wipes can be a bit thin and may tear if used with strong wiping pressure. This is likely a trade-off to maintain flushability and biodegradability. Some users mention folding the wipes to increase strength, occasionally needing a second wipe to finish the job. Despite this, the wipes perform well overall and have not caused flushing problems, which is a critical concern for many consumers. Beyond bathroom use, DUDE wipes have proven versatile. They're handy for post-workout refreshment, outdoor activities, and even quick surface cleaning on the go. This versatility adds to their value, making them a practical addition to daily routines and travel kits alike. The story behind DUDE wipes resonates with many users, especially men who previously felt embarrassed buying child-branded wipes or unsuitable adult wipes that were heavily scented or coarse. DUDE wipes offer a product designed specifically for men, with a masculine branding and practical features that restore dignity and convenience. This emotional connection enhances user satisfaction and loyalty. In conclusion, DUDE Wipes Flushable Wipes redefine personal hygiene by combining superior cleansing power, skin-friendly ingredients, environmental responsibility, and convenient packaging. They're a must-have for anyone seeking a fresher, cleaner experience beyond traditional toilet paper. The wipes are especially recommended for those with sensitive skin or anyone wanting a more thorough clean. If you own DUDE wipes, consider leaving a review to help others make an informed choice. The product link is in the description to support this channel. DUDE wipes have earned their place as an essential hygiene product for modern lifestyles.